In this video, we will show you how to disable startup apps when you start up Windows for the first time. And as you see, I just logged onto my Windows and Steam automatically opened, but this might be something that you don't want because, say, if you have multiple applications trying to launch at the start, you might have a slower boot up time, depending on how many apps are trying to come up. So to stop Steam from opening up automatically when you start up Windows, all you have to do is right click and go to the Task Manager and select that. Then you'll go to the Startup tab. And when you select that, there's going to be a bunch of applications here. The status is what we want to see. So if you click the status, you'll sort by enabled, and you can see here that Steam is enabled. That means that on startup, Steam will open up automatically. All you have to do is right click it and hit disabled. And now it shows that it's disabled, and you'll never have to worry about that ever again starting up unless you re-enable it. And a quick thing to note is that the startup impact, you can see it says high or low or none, meaning that that is the impact on your performance. That's the impact on how much resources it's going to be using once it is started up. So if it's high, then it will probably cause your computer to be loading up much slower. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to consider liking and subscribing, as it will tell us that you guys like more of these videos. So yeah, there you go.